jump on here. I did a video yesterday about micros, and I misspoke on the video. I kept calling them minis, but old habits die hard. But micros, if you are new to trading, or if you just want to learn our indicators and you're starting off on even on sim and stuff, micros is just a great way to not take. You can take some heat on a trade. It can go against you, and you're not betting the farm, right? So to show this, of course, we already published a trade this morning that we did almost $1,300 in just a few minutes. But micros are just super fun to trade. So I'm in 3 ES micros here. And why are we in this trade? Well, first off, what do we have? We have a green background. By the way, if I was in a regular trade of this, I'm in 3 contracts, so divide this by 3. So this would be about a $500, $550 trade right here on a normal ES contract size. So what do we have here? Really, let's take the money out of the picture. So we had a green background. The Maverick AI Pro is giving you a green background, already telling you the trend. You're above the Maverick guide. Remember, when we're above the Maverick guide, we go long. When we're below the Maverick guide, we go short. Above the Maverick guide, long. Below the Maverick guide, short. Look at this run down here all night. Below the Maverick guide, this blue line is your Maverick guide. Unbelievable. Above the Maverick guide, we go long. So anyway, I could show you this all day long, but so above the Maverick guide, we go long, we go short when we're below it, long when we're above it. Okay, so we're above the Maverick guide. We're also above the Maverick 200, which is just this is just your 200 EMA, but we color it once price gets above it. Okay, so you're above your Maverick guide, this blue line. You have a green background, tons of confidence arrows. Tons of confidence arrows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These arrows are not buy signals. They are just confidence that you are in the right direction. On top of that, your Maverick Multi-X, this indicator right here in the middle, is looking at 6 time frames. 6 time frames. And think of this T1 through T5 as 5 different traders. And they all have a different style and preference. So when you have 5 different traders, all with a different style and preferences, and they're voting across 6 time frames, when you have solid green, I wouldn't go short. Okay, so right now, trader 1 through trader 5, all with a different style and preferences, are all voting bullish on the 1 minute, the 3 minute, the 5, the 10, the 15, and the 30-minute charts. I don't need all sorts of charts on my screen. I just need the Maverick Multi-X to tell me what's going on the other time frames. Green background, bunch of confidence arrows to the upside. We're above our Maverick guide, this blue line. Bright green candles. So bright green candles is your strongest candle to the upside. Bright green candles. Pink is your strongest candle to the downside. So if you've ever looked at a candle and you're like, oh, I'm not sure what's going on under the hood, let the Maverick AI Pro tell you. Bright pink is to the downside. Bright green is to the upside. One other little bonus for you, our lifetime members are about to get this indicator. It's called the Maverick Trender. It's pretty cool when it's pegged up at the top here, depending on the color. When it's pegged at the top, that is an uptrend. And it just is giving you more confidence to get into that trade. And you'll see where it was pegged. So see, it's pegged right here. Well, look what happened. You flush straight down for 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 minutes it flushed down. Here you've been pegged since about here. And look at this move. You see this down here? You've been pegged at the top of this indicator, green. And look at this flush up. I mean, it's just awesome. So this indicator, here's another one. Look at you were pegged this whole time moving down. Look at that flush down. That's a huge move. So again, trading is stacking probability. If I have a red background, if I have pink candles, if you see pink, it will most likely sink. That's what we say. If you have down confidence arrows, you're below your Maverick guide, and then you're pegged on your Maverick Trender. And then I'm sure your Maverick Multi-X was completely red. you go short, right? So right now we're completely green on our Maverick Multi-X across 6 time frames. You are pegged on your Maverick trender. You are green up at the top of the ceiling here. You have bright green candles, green background. Let me get rid of this. Bunch of confidence arrows moving up. You'll probably get a retracement here soon because you just had such a big move up. But this is how you stack probabilities and you win trades, all right? And even with just, I'm in 3 micro contracts. These things, this is crazy, right? Super low risk, 3 micros, golly. So anyway, great. If you are interested in either the Maverick AI Pro, which colors the background, colors your candles to show you what's going on under the hood, confidence arrows to let you know you're in the right direction, your Maverick guide. Again, I will not trade without the Maverick guide on my screen. We go long, we go short when we're below it, the Maverick guide, and we go long when we're above it. And if it goes sideways, you just leave it alone, right? Okay. So if you really want to get edge in your trading, have some indicators that have been built by traders and refined with artificial intelligence, okay? So Maverick AI Pro, Maverick Multi-X down here, 6 time frames. It's like trading with 5 other expert traders. And then our Maverick Trender, which all our lifetime members will be getting in about a week when we drop them, all the things. We're making sure that they all work on NinjaTrader as well as TradingView. And we're just getting them published on those platforms, and then we'll drop them to our lifetime members for free. All right, so check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. Would love to have you in the Maverick family. And I'm going to keep watching this fun trade because it's stress-free and it's just fun. I'm going to move my stop loss up to break even. And let's see if we can just ride this thing for the rest of the day at low risk, or you know, maybe we'll just take a couple $100 off and call it a day. All right. Hope you're having a great day. Check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. So this guy is just pushing up here, and the Maverick Trender is got back to being pegged. You're in an uptrend. Fully solid green on your Maverick Multi-X. 6 time frames, 5 traders all voting bullish. And you know, if this was about at $500, I mean, this would be about a $1,600 to $1,700 trade on one contract of regular ES. So I mean, that's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome. Now we are in 3 contracts, so you got to divide it by 3 and then times it by 10 and all that stuff. But pretty awesome. So like, I think I risked what, $30-$40 to get into this trade, something like that. And look at this upside. We're up over $500 on 3 micro contracts. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Maverick AI Pro is giving me a green background. We have bright green candles. We have lots of confidence arrows to the upside. We had one confidence arrow pointing down, but you had a gray candle. Gray candle means indecision or reversal on the Maverick AI Pro. We teach you all this when you get this indicator. We're still above the Maverick guide. Again, the trender is pegged green. We are almost all green on our Maverick Multi-X. Bright green candles, confidence arrows, green background above the Maverick guide. Bam. All right, so let's see if we can hit this profit target. If not, no big deal. This just was, actually, I should probably set it right about here. Because, let's see here. Really, this is more realistic. Oh, crap, where it hit. So that's more realistic, where that's your next area of resistance. So we'll see. It could retrace a little bit back or whatever. But all in all, pretty cool trade if I just hit close right now. Tiny risk, big upside. Tiny risk, big upside. And you can see how the Maverick AI Pro and the Maverick Multi-X are giving you clear vision of your charts. Clear vision. And we just stack those probabilities. We stack the green background on top of the bright green candles, on top of the confidence arrows, on top of being above the Maverick guide, this blue line, on top of the Maverick Multi-X being green across 6 time frames, on top of the Maverick trender being pegged green at the top of your chart. You just stack all those things, and that's how you get probability in your favor. Again, if you want to check us out, MaverickIndicators.com. That's MaverickIndicators.com. Limited time, we extended our sale 50% off monthly and lifetime subscriptions. And again, the lifetime members, they're going to get this indicator, the Maverick Trender, which I love, and as well as like a whole slew of other indicators that we are just finalizing on both NinjaTrader and TradingView, and they will get those for free dropped here this month. All right, hope you guys have a great day. Keep crushing it, and that's it. I wouldn't go short right now. I wouldn't go short. But that, not financial advice. Do your own research. Entertainment purposes only. And by the way, yes, we are on a funded account right here. We're on a funded Apex account that we are trading on. So cool. All right, guys, have a great rest of your Tuesday. MaverickIndicators.com.